Finding the perfect mini grinder can transform your DIY projects and craft work. This video highlights 5 of the best options for 2026, offering precision, versatility, and reliable performance. Whether you are engraving, polishing, or sanding, these tools provide consistent results with ease and control. Let's get started. Number 5. Greenworks 8V. The Greenworks 8-volt mini grinder is a compact cordless rotary tool designed for precise carving, grinding, and polishing. Powered by a lithium battery and an 80-power output permanent magnet motor, it delivers smooth performance with minimal noise and heat. Its variable speed system features 6 adjustable levels from 5,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute, making it versatile for fine engraving and light material removal. This tool handles wood, jade, stone, bone, glass, metal, plastic, and tile, allowing carving, drilling, rust removal, polishing, and even pet nail grinding. The patented automatic lock shaft secures the spindle when the tool stops, enabling quick and safe accessory changes without a separate lock button while preventing accidental activation during adjustments. Included with the grinder are 52 accessories covering common creative and maintenance tasks. The integrated smart display shows speed level and remaining battery power clearly, while the built-in task light enhances visibility and reduces shadows for precision work. Efficient fan-based heat dissipation supports longer sessions, and the high-capacity battery offers up to 40 minutes of continuous operation with 2 amp fast charging via Type-C. Weighing only 225 grams, the slim body measuring 194 by 36 millimeters and rubberized non-slip grip provide excellent control and comfort for extended use. Pros: lightweight, versatile, precise, long battery life. Cons: limited continuous runtime for heavy-duty applications. Number 4. Xiaomi Mijia Grinding Pen. The Xiaomi Mijia electric grinding pen is a compact rotary tool designed for home carving, polishing, burnishing, and drilling tasks. Its slim pen-shaped body, measuring approximately 2 centimeters in diameter, offers precise control for detailed work. The anodized aluminum alloy housing, combined with soft rubber grip areas, provides a stable and comfortable hold during extended sessions. Weighing 310 grams, the tool remains lightweight and portable while maintaining a solid feel. At its core, a durable brushless hollow cup motor delivers consistent power with speeds up to 22,000 revolutions per minute. This makes it suitable for engraving, grinding, polishing, and drilling on wood, metal, jade, and model components. Operation is simple, featuring a single power button for on and off control and a rotary knob for smooth speed adjustment. Accessories can be changed without additional tools by unscrewing the pen head, making it accessible for beginners and hobbyists. Power is provided through a built-in lithium battery with a capacity of 800 mAh, offering up to 60 minutes of continuous use on a full charge. For longer sessions, the pen can also operate in plug-in mode, ensuring uninterrupted work. The package includes an automatic pop-up storage box containing 16 high-quality grinding heads with a rod diameter of 2.35 millimeters, keeping accessories organized and easily accessible. Pros: lightweight, precise, versatile, long battery life. Cons: limited accessory selection compared to professional rotary kits. Number 3. ARROWMAX SGS. The ARROWMAX SGS mini grinder is a compact cordless rotary tool designed for engraving, carving, polishing, sanding, and light grinding tasks. It comes as a 36-piece kit, including 24 engraving bits and 12 polishing bits, providing versatility for a wide range of home and craft applications. The pen-style design is lightweight and easy to handle, offering precise control for intricate details and delicate strokes. This mini grinder operates quietly and is fully cordless, allowing portable use and creative work anywhere. Power is supplied by a rechargeable battery that provides up to 90 minutes of continuous operation on a full charge. Charging is managed through a magnetic 5-volt USB system with a dedicated inbox charger that attaches easily and reduces wear on ports. Speed control is flexible, ranging from 10,000 to 20,000 revolutions per minute in 1,000-step increments. Users can adjust both speed and rotation direction for forward or reverse operation, enhancing performance across different materials and techniques. These settings can be adjusted directly on the tool or through an optional smart app compatible with Android and iOS devices. The grinder supports work on wood, glass, metal, and other common DIY materials. Dynamic indicator lights display the remaining battery level across 4 stages, from full to low. Its compact size, balanced feel, and included accessories make it a practical choice for hobbyists seeking consistent, professional-looking results at home. Pros: lightweight, versatile, precise, long battery life. Cons: limited to light-duty tasks for professional use. Number 2. Deli 5 Engraving Grinder. The Deli 5 Rechargeable Engraving Grinder is a compact cordless rotary tool designed for home crafting, engraving, grinding, drilling, and polishing tasks. Its pen-style ergonomic body is lightweight and balanced, providing steady control and reducing hand fatigue during extended sessions. The curved rubber-coated grip offers a natural feel, similar to writing with a pen, enhancing comfort and precision. The tool is powered by a durable motor capable of reaching speeds up to 28,000 revolutions per minute. A 5-speed adjustment system allows precise control for various materials and tasks, with a built-in speed indicator light providing clear visual feedback. This makes it ideal for jewelry detailing, leather carving, wood polishing, and finishing metal or jade surfaces. A high-precision chuck holds accessories with a maximum clamping size of 3.2 millimeters, ensuring stability and accuracy. The grinder supports efficient burr removal, fine engraving, and smooth polishing. It also includes a stainless steel cutting blade for trimming small nails, plastic scraps, and thin wood pieces. For safety and convenience, a transparent protective cover shields against debris without blocking visibility and can be easily removed or installed. 4 integrated fill lights automatically activate when the tool starts, illuminating work details clearly. A large capacity lithium battery supports extended creative sessions, while the included 101 accessories make this tool highly versatile for a wide range of DIY and craft applications. Pros: lightweight, precise, versatile, long battery life. Cons: may feel small for users with larger hands. Number 1. Dremel 3000 Multifunction Engraver. The Dremel 3000 Multifunction Engraver is a corded electric rotary tool designed for cutting, carving, polishing, sanding, and grinding across a wide range of materials. It comes as a complete kit with 10 assorted accessories, providing everything needed for common workshop and craft tasks without additional purchases. The ergonomic anti-slip handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip, supporting stable control during extended use. At the core of the tool is a powerful motor delivering consistent performance across 6 adjustable speed levels. The speed range spans from 10,000 to 32,000 revolutions per minute, allowing users to match output to delicate detailing or more demanding material removal. Speed selection is straightforward and precise, making the tool suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Accessory changes are simplified with the EZ twist joint, allowing quick swaps without additional tools. The precision, Chuck supports shanks from 0.8 to 3.2 millimeters, ensuring compatibility with most common rotary attachments. A ball-bearing structure maintains smooth operation while reducing heat buildup, enhancing both performance and longevity. The Dremel 3000 also operates quietly at around 25 decibels, creating a more focused and comfortable work environment. Replaceable motor carbon brushes extend service life and reduce long-term maintenance costs. With its balanced design, durable construction, and versatile functionality, this rotary tool is well suited for home workshops, garages, and professional crafting spaces. These 5 mini grinders stand out for their power, precision, and user-friendly design. From hobbyists to more advanced users, each tool delivers consistent performance for a variety of materials and tasks. Choosing the right one can make your projects smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. Explore these options and upgrade your toolkit with confidence.